try to taper this guy or scroll this guy out. It's a little low heat. There we go. That way it doesn't mess up on you. There we go, just like that. You got yourself a perfectly round hook. Just gotta dress it up. Alright, match the scroll tip. Base of that. On top. I was supposed to... Dang it. I was supposed to forge the spade first. So you forge the spade first, then you do the twist. Nice and aggressive. Go. Got yourself a spade. Little spade J hook right there.